It is time to get real and share how awful my craft room is right now. I'm going to be sharing with you how I'm going to get it back in order. Today, I'm going to be sharing my disaster of a craft room, and I'm going to get real with you. I'm embarrassed. I really am. But I want to be real here. I'm going to just share it with you just to hold myself accountable and just to let all of you know who are in the same predicament as me. Just to let you know you are not alone. I'm still really embarrassed. So yeah, I'm going to just get real. Okay, so I thought the first thing I am going to tackle is cleaning up any garbage, any recyclables. I'm going to move things out of my way that are a tripping hazard. I don't want to accidentally break anything. I haven't had it this bad since, oh man, I don't even remember. Yeah, it's time to get this place into shape and so I can start crafting because I'm sick of it. Okay, so I have my recycling bag, garbage bag, donation box. I've got my vacuum cleaner standing by, and I also have my broom just to get into those little corners. I like to just sweep up the piles and then go back over and with my vacuum cleaner just get the little bits that are left behind after I'm done sweeping. Sorry, I just knocked you over, and yes, it was because of my mess. This is the problem. I have a plan, and then things don't go according to my plan. Okay, so this is a classic case of me just quickly cleaning up my fall stuff and just throwing it in my craft room because I don't have time to deal with it right away because I am not properly organized. But yeah, I'm really bad for doing this. Just quickly cleaning up, throwing seasonal stuff in a box, and then putting it here in my craft room saying, oh, I'll deal with that later. Yeah, I need to stop. but I really do need to just deal with this later because I can't access the area where this actually belongs. So that's my excuse. I'm going to stick to it. But anyways, I'm going to get this out of the craft room. So I was really hoping to take on the concept as touch it once and deal with it, and then that's it. Either throw it out, donate, find a home for it, put it back where it belongs. But I don't seem to be able to do that this time. I know, some of you are probably like, Donna, you're being too hard on yourself. Yeah, maybe. I don't know, but sometimes we need that kick in the butt, don't we? Oh, something I just noticed here in the background while I was just talking to you is I have a dead plant. That will create me some room. Okay, let's get back to the task at hand. Now I've got this mess. I've got that branch I had used for some crafting. A box of some Cricut supplies and raffia and stuff. And yeah, this was leftovers from Christmas projects that I just plopped here and walked away. And then these two pieces here, these actually go upstairs in my living room. And so I'll take those back up there. And then that blue bag is full of donation clothes. Why it's in here, I have no idea. Why it's not at the donation center, again, I have no idea. Okay, I'm seeing some progress. Yes. I've got an empty box. I'm not sure what I'll do with that yet. I'm going to just set it aside. I'm sure something will come up. I will say I am really happy I got at least one full side clean. Yeah, actually two sides are clean. That's a win. This is some thrift store finds that I got last year and they never got put away. And then I'm going to take those arrangements apart, this one, and I still have that box there to deal with. Okay, so I'm gonna just stop for a moment and just, sorry, the cat decided to go and jump in one of my donation boxes. You, what are you doing? This isn't helping me. This isn't helping me at all. He loves boxes. Hey, what you doing? Hey? Oh, yes, that feels good. Like I was saying, I thought I'd just take a moment and just go over with you. Like, you're probably wondering, like, how in the world did I allow my craft space to get in the state that it's in or was in? Well, first of all, This past year has been very, very busy. You may have noticed things were a little, I don't know, different maybe this year. I'm not sure if you would have picked that up or not, but it was very busy. I had to take some more time off than I usually do. There were lots of very, very big life events that happened for our family right from the beginning of 2024. My husband's Oma had passed away. My husband's parents celebrated their 50th anniversary. My oldest daughter graduated from college. My niece graduated from high school. My son turned 16, which is the driving age here where I live. My daughter, I've got 3 kids, a son and 2 daughters, and my middle is one of my daughters. Well, she moved out. We moved her away to go to school, to art college. And that's the first time I've had one of my kids move out. And that was hard. She is planning on moving back, but still, that's hard. So just, what else? Oh, one of my nieces got married. And there was a lot going on. I just neglected all these things, so that's why things got the way they are. And then the holidays rolled around. I admit I was slacking off and keeping things clean. I kind of had lost some motivation too. It took me a while to clean up the fall decor, and when I did get around to cleaning it, it just got dumped down in the basement. And then holidays came around. I don't know, I was feeling really unmotivated to decorate this year too for some reason. And then we also hosted Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. So I just had so much going on this past year. Okay, I've got a little helper here with me. He's in my lap, so I gotta change my angle a little bit here. Hoping that cleaning this place up will inspire me to get crafting again, because who wants to craft in such a big mess? I know I don't. I need to also kind of go through my other craft area too. It's a disaster. It's going to take me some time. I'm not going to show the process of cleaning up my my seasonal stuff. I'm not going to bother showing that process because it's going to take me a little while, but I thought I would share this in hopes that it motivates you guys. I would absolutely love to know what you would like to see more of. I'm going to be changing some things up a bit here on my channel. Give me your craft room organization tips. I would love to hear from you. Okay, so the floor is all cleared off except for stuff like the cat. Oh my word, why am I so lost for words? Recycling. I've got that there, but I'm going to be moving that out once I'm done cleaning up the surfaces. So that's what I'm going to work on now. Everything on the tables should have a home. The things that are on the tables and the counters actually belong in this space, so that should not be an issue. Getting that all cleaned up. I'm pretty much tidied up. I just need to sweep and vacuum. Other than that, I'm done. Okay, here is a quick look at the floor. Oh yeah, I have to take the recycling out too, but I got the counters all cleaned off. I just need to dust. I left this out because my son is working on some art. But look. Looks so much better. I'm so happy I got it done. Like I said, it's not done. Like I have another area that I need to clean up. I did just shove some of that in the corner there because like that stuff does go in a home there. Just want to sweep and vacuum. Oh yeah, and I need to put that globe away somewhere. I think actually I might just put it up on a shelf in here for now and then find a home once I have the other area all cleaned up. But I'm just happy with how it's looking. Yay! I got some more videos coming up for you, and it's all themed around craft room organization. So I hope this helped motivate you, and I want to thank you so much for joining me today and for encouraging me. Whether you realize it or not, it really was helpful bringing you along today. All right, we'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.